Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and once again I came up with another video, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of Parker Roller Neo Beta Neo Ball Pen. So my name is Milind and you're watching my YouTube channel Milind Suggestion. So without getting any further delay, let's get started. You can see the packaging of Amazon. It is a paper packaging and very nice packaging here, we can see. And the pen actually it cost 140 rupee in a local market, but I got it just for 119 rupee at Amazon, and you can see the pen inside here. So here is the pen itself. It is quoted as a Parker Beta Neo, and this is the real roller ball pen, and you can see that is in the red color. I have got this pen. Here is the pen, and here is the roller refill is also with it. So friends, now I am taking this out. So now you can see the pen. This is the refill. मैं आपको इसको लिख के दिखाता हूँ ये किस तरह से चलता है। ये देखिए, ये है पार्कर का, आप देख सकते हैं पूरा फाउंटेन पेन के जैसा ये इसकी इंक है। पार्कर न्यू रोलर पेन। सो अच्छी इसकी इंक आ रही है एंड वेरी नाइस पेन। सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब. Thank you for watching.